if you go Fiverr and search here YouTube thumbnail, you will see that many thumbnail is here. There is many professional thumbnail and they are making much more money. Just see that $20 per thumbnail and he already get 1000 plus order, and yes, he already completed this order. So he made around 20,000 plus dollar, and here is all our seller selling their service, so they are making much more money. I will show you that how you can make these types of thumbnail and it will be totally free. So hi, this is Learn Today and I will show you that how can you make these types of thumbnail and these types of money step by step. I will show you that how you will get these types of and totally free. Link in my description box below. You just click and go through my link. So you need to go canva.com and you need to search on search bar YouTube thumbnail. So you need to just type YouTube thumbnail. So just see, here is all types of professional ready-made template here. You need just drag and drop this thumbnail. If you use 1 month free trial, you can use all the thumbnail template. You can use paid, pro, anything you need. You can use all. And if you are using free Canva, you can use just like professional but not paid and pro. So I'm tapping this first because it look like premium for me. So how to drag and drop, how to edit, just see it. So you can change everything from here. So I'm changing this. I'm just writing make big money. And I can easily change the text color. I just change it and I can easily change it to learn daily. Okay, I can change font size, maybe I can small, I can big, I can change everything. I can do here everything. I can also change the girl image. I can duplicate this. I can do anything. I can upload any image, any element I can use. I can upload here. I can add some text, great text from here. I can do everything from here. So finally, when I will create my thumbnail, I can download it very simply. So what you need to do, I need just tap on right corner and press on download button, and I can download PNG, JPG, PDF, any types of files. So I'm downloading in PNG file. So you can create any types of thumbnail and you can make much more money from Fiverr or anything you working. So this is high quality. So thanks for watching. If you new my channel, please subscribe, and if you are watching from Facebook, please follow. Thank you and wait for my next video.